Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Made a change of plans here. Figured we'd get this one out before, or get it off before market close. So we'll see how many of you are able to join live. Probably go for about 30 minutes here. Just cover the performance of our favorite funds today. So without further ado, we will go to Yahoo Finance again for today. And hopefully I'll be able to get out, a couple of live streams this week. I'm gonna be on a lot, obviously, for those of you that have been following. So, but let's look at how we're doing, and we'll cover the market close today. So let's see. Let's share Yahoo Finance, which I happen to have open twice. All right, here we go. So right now, with about 5 minutes of trading to go, we're up in the Dow, we're up slightly in the NASDAQ, we're up actually really well in the Russell. Crude oil is going up, so is the price at the pump. S&P is down. As far as our favorite funds, we've got, just looking at the sidebar here, TSLY is back up over $17 a share. Tesla stock is slightly up. NVDY is up like 2 cents. NVIDIA stock is down, but it's still at like almost 466, which is incredible. OARK is up to 1765. AMZY is 2065. GOOY, or GOOY, still got to get used to saying that one. It's at 2050, or up 8 cents. FBY is up to 2063, or 1.76%. That's the Meta one. So let's look at this one real quick. And let's see how we're doing here. Something's smoking up my bandwidth here. So let's see who all. Oh, welcome. We got one of you commenting at least. Yeah, I just moved this very last minute here. Decided to go ahead and get it out before market close today, or at least get it started. So all right, got 7 of you on. I like to move times around and see how many people we get. When we're random. So all right, let me close this one, and we're using this one here. So September rate hike decision. Oh, this guy's at the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago now. He used to be one of the economic advisors in the White House. Interesting. So will inflation come down? I guess we'll have maybe one more rate hike, but we'll see. So, all right. As far as our dividend dates for these funds, we did go over that on the last video, but we'll go over it again. And Meta stock is actually down today, $7.50. Let's look at where we are like for the past year or so, because obviously this was one I made an options play on, and probably didn't hold it long enough. By the way, let me try to put the Discord link in here for any of you that are wanting to join. We've got several sub channels now. We're also putting questions for Jay in the Discord, so he's still tentatively scheduled to be on the 15th, but we'll see. Things are subject to change, of course. So let me go ahead and put this Discord link here. And wow, look, we've got 11 of you now. So here's the Discord link. Oil Spill is on. Welcome. Yeah, my first time, I think, seeing you on here. So yeah, welcome. We got oil prices going up for sure. Well, thank you for the feedback. We got Sam Talks Finance on, got Morbido, Clip, AMZY, and added FBY and GOOY. You never run out of money, do you? Well, you can't with these dividends, right? Very excited to see where these will all head. Yeah, me too. I'll probably use my next dividends to buy some of these new ones. I might buy the FBY and GOOY. We'll see. So anyway, for those of you not on the Discord yet, here's the link. And I've got some other stuff in the works too, Patreon, some merchandise. The book is still, I think the date that I said is like a month and a half away at this point. So I may target by the end of the year at this point, but we'll see. If I can focus for like a week or so and get it done, it shouldn't really take that long. The book is all up here. It's just got to go from here to a Word document, or at least the 90% of it that's left. So anyway, all right, let's see. All right, let's review. So TSLY. TSLY is back over $17 a share today, which is good news for us. And Google stock and GOOGL are trading basically 30 cents apart. Very interesting. All right, come on, Yahoo. TSLY. Here we go. 1703. So, okay, the market just closed. So let's look where we closed today. Give me a second here. This site is getting really glitchy. Let's see here. Okay. The ARK fund continues to come back. So it looks like, well, check this out. Everything ended up in the green slightly. S&P was up 1.6. Dow was up almost 56. NASDAQ was up 13. The site's becoming unresponsive here. Let me stop sharing for a second and see what's going on. Maybe we'll use something else. Someone else new. We've got Gators Rock Tim T. Is that Gators as in like the team or like alligators? Yeah, Tesla's been in the crapper for the last few weeks for sure. But we'll see. We'll see what it does, right? It's coming back over 17. So let me see if I can get Yahoo to work again here. Let's see. Okay. I got probably till 4:30. I can go till about 4:30 today. All right. So let's see if we can get this one up now. Come on. If this doesn't work, we'll just go to another site. Yeah, it's unresponsive. All right, we're going to go to, for those of you that aren't fans of Yahoo, you'll be happy. We're going to go to, we'll use Seeking Alpha now. Let's see what we got here. Don't want to upgrade. Just type this in. TSLY. Come on. I mean, the internet's pretty good here. I'm not sure if this is on my end or what. Come on. Well, that reminds me. So Verizon is back in the internet business in my area. I've got a text. Apparently they have a good deal. Okay, so this site is actually not up to date. It's showing 16.99, and we closed above 17. So bear with me here. Okay, we got this one. Let's see here. Give me a second. Still kind of multitasking here. Here we go. Okay, so we are on Seeking Alpha, which happens to not be up to date. So what I might do, since I got so much of my bandwidth getting smoked up here, and I'm not even sharing my screen. You know, that's cool. I actually was a fan when they had Tebow too. Did I Beto? A little bit, yeah. How's that one doing, by the way? Got to look into that one. I think we got our dividends coming up for Clip. For those of you that are in clip, I think we got our dividends coming up for that. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Okay, let's try again here. We'll pull that up, at least for the I'll have to check if I got mine. I think I got it in E-Trade, but not in Ameritrade. Ameritrade's kind of slow. So we'll look at that. Let's see here. Let's try the screen share again. All right, here we go. Okay, so this one is not quite up to date. We'll just have to use the phone for this. Because we closed at, let's see, TSLY closed at 1703. All right, so forget the screen share. Yahoo's not working and this is an update. So TSLY 1703 that closed at. GOOY closed at 2048, down 2 cents. FBY closed at 2037, lost 25. Wow, there was a lot of selling here in the last few minutes. OARK 1760. So this one, February, it got back to where it was like in February. I'm looking at February 3rd, and then it dropped. Now it's back. It's coming back up a little bit since April, 20%, 21%. Okay. Let's see. AMZY 2063. This one is up 2.9% so far since it started trading, which was only like 6 days ago, counting weekends. Let's look at BETO. How's BETO doing? 1548, we're down 12 cents. I think I bought in at 16 something, actually. We're still, from a year ago, we're like up 9%. So we're trying to capture that, we're trying to capture the crypto upside when Bitcoin halves next year. So there's that. The other crypto-related ones, Mara, 1737, earnings come out August 8th. And then Riot, let's see, that one, 1852. Oh, I got to check the options in those too. So let's see real quick here. Ooh, down. Wow. Okay. Okay. Oh, the one thing I want to share, the dividend date's coming up for August here. Let's see here. I happen to just keep this one up. Keep it at the ready. $100 times worse. I actually found that when someone else, I think Andre might have been talking about that one. I subscribed to him. He's probably growing at a faster rate at this point, but I don't know. I mean, UWI is not too bad. Tried to get him on, but you know, neither of us like make a lot in ad revenue, even though the channels are growing. So welcome, by the way. Got clip yesterday. Yeah, Fidelity's early, it seems like. All right, so we're going to show these dividend dates for the month of August here coming up. All right, so let's see here. All right, so it's pretty standard. We've got these for every month of the year here. So as far as paydays, we've got 5 days left, 5 paydays left in the year for our dividend income. August 3rd will be the declaration date, so that's only 2 days away, or 3. So I'll definitely be live streaming then. I'll live stream on each of these dates. I should just basically, for each of these 4 dates per month, I should just get my schedule to match these. So we got August 3rd, August 4th, August 7th, and August 14th is the payment date. So that's our favorite day there, our favorite day of the month, right? The payment date. And we'll find out if all of these are going to actually pay a dividend. Some of them, because they just went public, they probably won't until September, but we'll see. What do you mean, really? Really as in good channel, or getting him on here? I don't know. We try to line up good guests, for you all on here. So anyway, well, I've only been going for 15 minutes here. I guess I can show you all the Discord since we couldn't get anything else to work. All right, let's go to Discord. See how we're doing here. I haven't been monitoring too much here. Oh, this is funny. Got some comments here I just saw. We haven't actually gone up. We're at like 29, including me. So let me see. And I noticed some of you are only commenting on Discord now. You're not commenting on here. So let's see here. Let me share this one. Take a slight detour first. Okay, so I've got about 20 minutes I can go. We'll see if I want to go that long. We'll see how much comments and stuff we get here. All right, so hold on just a second here. Okay, so we're gonna pull up Discord, and that's gonna be here. And I'll show some of your comments here in the Discord. Oh, let's see, we got, what is this? Okay. Oh, look who made it on early. Do you have any type of schedule? I try to, but it's hard to maintain a schedule. I'm supposed to be leaving out of here, today. So I figured I'd just get one out now. I was going to do 10, but figured I'd do it before the market closed. Who is Horse Gal 33? Is this possibly our third woman in the audience? If so, great. When you talk to the YieldMax guy, ask him about the MSTR ETF. He mentioned it on your last one. So are you a new subscriber to the channel? I'm not recalling seeing you before on the last interview. Any word on YBRK, CONY, NFLY, or SQY? We'll ask Jay when he comes on. Make sure you put that in the Discord. You are a woman. Well, good for you. All right. So let's look at... Did you just find the channel, by the way? Or when did you... How long have you been a subscriber? Seems like we get new people every live stream, which is good. So, okay, let me see here. Let's see. Go to Discord. This is Discord. And this is what we got. Oh, and look here. This is perfect because Parker just said this morning, we need to remind more people about the Discord and the live streams. And then Mike Lorca thanked me. My classes are paying off. That's good. See, I'm happy to help you all make more money. Although I feel like a lot of you are making a lot more than me. But hey, that's good. Pay it forward, right? So we got some people putting their nice dividend payments they're getting here. I hope I don't show anything too sensitive. But yeah, I mean, it's, open for anyone to join. So what's this here? The engineer's been posting a lot of good stuff in here. So we've got 4 sub-channels. We've got questions for Jay, learning options, which we have another YouTuber's channel posted here. High dividend plays, examples of option trades. And the engineer mentioned that we can use Thinkorswim to kind of back test and figure out what the dividend is actually going to be. So, oh, look, we just got number 30 here. So, all right, the Discord is up to 30 out of 2,200. We're about to hit 2,200 here on YouTube. Let's see here. Oh, you watch a lot and you don't comment much. So are you like into horses, hence the name? Like you like to ride them or watch the horse races or what? Let's see here. SoFi has been hot lately. We'll look at that. Hey, Coach, I already have the allotment TSLY that I'm comfortable with long-term. Was wondering if it would be a space helmet move to buy another 2,000 shares and sell them after the dividend pays. I don't think so at all. Actually, that might work out brilliantly because I think, who was it, Join Jen? She sold at like 18, she said, and then bought back in lower, which was brilliant. I decided to get some GOOY, FBY, and AMZY to see how they go. Yeah, I'll probably use my dividend for those. Oh, cool. So you own and ride horses. Cool. So that's cool. You have like a ranch or something? Wonder like whereabouts you you know might be from. You don't have to tell us exactly, but it's cool to find out where my subscribers come from. Well, it drops the exact amount of the dividend. Well, how did because someone on here made a genius move. Like they sold at 18. They must have looked at the technical analysis and seen that it was going to drop, and they sold. So it would be pointless. Well, I see what you're saying, but let's see here. Still on the fence about getting a small amount of clip. Well, you missed the ex-dividend date, so you'll have to buy in for the next one. Also different from some of your other subscribers, I'm a boomer. Actually, a lot of my audience are boomers. So, I mean, that's good. What's this here? Oh, really nice name. Game3RZK.C. Okay. Well, welcome. Why would it be pointless if it goes down to 16 or 15? Well, you buy the dip, right? I mean, honestly, if you're in these funds long term, what you're buying in short term doesn't necessarily matter. Based on Tesla technicals. Yeah. Well, and volatility too, right? So anyway, so that's the Discord. Let me just put the link here for those of you that might have joined a little bit late, which is what I usually tend to do. So yeah, there's the Discord. That's what we're looking at here. You can see some of the commenters that comment frequently here. And yeah, that's the link. That should work. I think we've already had one more of you join so far. So, all right, let's check something here. Okay, let me see something here. Give me a second. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, Discord link for anybody that wants to join. That's it. Wow, got 43 of you on in the middle of the day. Awesome. Okay, so that's up there. Drip Nation WW is one of the late ones. That's okay. You know what? Better late than never, right? Richard Lapoyo. Are you going to buy any other YieldMax ETFs eventually? I'm waiting for my next dividend. I gotta seems like keep moving cash over. I'm not as much of a high roller as some of my audience, so I'm starting to build up my dividends and become a true dividend portfolio. Am I on? No, I'm not. He owns them all. Nice. Good for you. The day the fund pays the dividend, it drops the exact value of the dividend payout. That's true. That's how it works. So technically, you would be break even. Yeah, that's good. Have at least one share each. That's what I try to do. I'll at some point pretty soon. I'll have one share each for sure. So okay, all right. So yeah, we covered market close today and covered the next dividend dates. I guess we can just share those again real quick for those that might have joined late. That's going to be here. Let's see here. Oh, I had another couple of YouTube channels subscribed to me. One's like in the travel space, so I'm going to try to get them on next. That should be fun. Let's see here. Wow, got almost 50 of you on in the middle of the day. That's really cool. Okay, here, let me share this and then just look over that, kind of ruminate over that. And okay. Yeah, so August 15th, Jay, we're gonna probably whatever works for him. We'll probably end up doing 5 o'clock or so. I think that's what we did last time. They're supposed to be sending me a hat and stuff, so I think I'm officially going to be joining the cause. It looks like, as if I haven't already. Let's see. I've been buying 100 shares of each. Biggest positions are NVDY, TSLY right now. Slowly going to grow the other positions. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm definitely going to get into Google and Meta. Will you ask Jay about the MSTR ETF? Maybe. Post that in the super chat. 1 share each is my goal. Yeah, it's for starters, for sure. Can't thank Jay from a monthly paycheck. Oh, you can. Other people actually did that last time. Some guy said it's paying his mortgage, so he thanked Jay for that. So absolutely, yeah. MSTR will be a great Bitcoin proxy. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one actually, because that could be better than Beto, right? Could be a great dividend payment, and ride up the upside of Bitcoin for sure. But if you sell after the X date and you buy again $1 or $2 less, it would be worth it. You're breaking even basically. You're not really like you're getting. I don't know what it's accomplishing. I have to agree with Hoffman on that because if the dividend's $1 or $2 and you're buying in $1 or $2 less, you got the dividend basically. So you're basically it's like you put $1,000 in, and then you got like say the fund's $10, it pays out a $2 dividend. You have an even number. You have like what like 100 shares, and then so you get like your $200 back. You have 800, but you got 200 back. So you still have your 1,000. There's not really any coming out ahead. But eventually, the idea is that the fund will go up in value. That is the idea for sure. So all right, especially coming up on the halving event. That's what I'm talking about. The Bitcoin halving, April 2024. That's going to be a big date for sure. Michael Saylor from MicroStrategies has an insane amount of BTC. Yeah. It drops after the pay date, not the X date, right? Hoffman, chime in on this. I'm pretty sure that isn't it the X date? And then it's paid out because you have to be in by the X date to get it. And tax issues. Who's this? A Bitler. Oh, okay. It drops on X date. That's what I thought. Yeah. Gunner, exactly. Want Jay to release the YMAX fund soon? Yeah, don't we all? Don't we all? As they make more ETFs, they can drop them inside the YMAX fund. That's exactly right. Maybe we'll have to ask him if he can do that one sooner, right? The hope is the underlying goes up to keep racing the fund. Yeah, that's kind of what has to happen. It's the day after the X date. Drops after X date. All right, we got a super chat. Thank you so much. I was just about to end it here. Well, thank you so much. Awesome. You all rock. Most of you do. It drops after the X date. It's the date it trades without the dividend. Right. That's what happens. And then it's paid out like we've got on the screen here. Basically paid out 10 days later. So if you get in after, you get in cheaper, but you're going to miss the dividend. So, all right, here, let's see how we're doing on time. I'm going to go probably another minute or two here. So any last minute requests, questions, comments, or whatever, feel free to drop them in, or any last minute super chats or anything. Feel free to drop them in. Like I said, we got 5 more payouts for the year. And it seems like the last 2 months, they were the same. It was like the 6th and then the 7th. So it was pretty close. But now we're earlier for the month of August. And then we've got October, November, and December after. The absolute worst day to buy would be on the exact X date, probably so. When do you have Jay on next? It's supposed to be August. We'll see. They're supposed to be sending me a hat that I can wear. So that should be coming in soon. Hopefully I'll have it by then. Randy Stalding. My wife insists that I wait to buy more TSLY until the next dip. She's beginning to get the hang of this. Oh, good. So I guess you both could buy in then. That's good. That's always good when both spouses understand investing, because it seems like typically one understands it, one doesn't. Wow, we're getting like almost 60 people on. The word is getting out that the coach is on. We'll see. I'll definitely plan a live stream by the 3rd. We'll see what I can do. Let's see, FW. Where's the guy with the Excel list? Oh, you know what? I messaged him. I think he's on vacation, actually, which I'm about to be. As of like in about an hour, I'm officially on vacation. So Let's see. Feels like more of a business trip though. Oh wow, we are over 1,200 subscribers. That's what we can go over real quick. Um, Let me see where Andre. I don't want to bug him too much, but he did say he was on vacation. Some stupid fitness coach keeps chatting me on Facebook, wanting to sell me something. I just tell them, look, I go to the gym 7 days a week, perfectly happy with my weight, happy with my exercise routine, perfectly happy. But if you just want to talk, I'm happy to talk to you. I'm just not dropping any money, you know? I don't know. Maybe if he ran a YouTube channel, maybe I'd super chat him. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Welcome. Looks like, I don't know if you're new or not. First time I've seen you, but welcome to the channel. We're always recruiting new subscribers, of course. So, all right, let's see here. Well, let's we hit a little mini milestone on the channel here. Let's celebrate this for a second here. We're at 22. We just surpassed 2,200. His wallet is not happy. Who, mine? It depends. Let me see here. I want to share. Let's go here. I'm in the studio. Give you all a little backstage tour for those of you that stayed on for the whole video or the whole live stream. So, all right, let's just show this here. Give a shout out to hitting 2202. Starting to grow fast. So let's see here. 2202. The other coach message. Who's the other coach? I thought there's only one. I mean, it is a two-way street. Sometimes you all coach me. So, you know, the coaching can go back and forth. Clip or more yield max ETFs? Don't own any clip yet. I have all the clip that I think I want for now. So, all right, let me see here. Little backstage tour here real quick, and then we'll call it a night. Okay, let me see. All right, so here we go. We're at 2202. Here's the last video. It takes a bit for the metrics to catch up, but doing really good overall. We're getting like 1,000 views per video, which is really awesome. I do have that audiobook part 1. Got to get the other parts out. Basically skipped the weekend for live streaming. We're already up to 75 views on this one. Oh, my one person that dislikes, they found their batting average isn't quite 100%. So they got that one. They got, 3 people got that one, but that's okay. We got 82 likes. That's what I focus on. So that's pretty cool. Averaging like 100 likes, averaging like 1,000 views. This one's almost up to 1,300, which is phenomenal. I was trying to keep up with, you know, I see that UWI, he's getting about the same amount of views. Oh, somebody just left. Why would you do that? I was just giving a shout out here. Anyway, so what was I saying now? Yeah, the UWI channel is getting like 2,000 views a video. So anyway, all right, y'all. Well, it's been fun. Hope to catch you all, or hope to get something out maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. If you like this one, like, comment, and subscribe. Even if you didn't, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll hope to see you within the next day or two. So thank you all for tuning in. Take care.